Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows scripted host error in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type of Windows Security. Open Windows Security, click on Virus and Threat Protection, click on Scan options, select a full scan and click on Scan Now. When you click on it, it's required of a few minutes to complete the full scan. So wait it to complete this process. The second method is that in the search box type Registry Editor. Open Registry Editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, select a HKey Classic root and expand it. After doing this test, go down and find out select a .vbs, click on open a default and make sure that its type name is VBS file. So make sure that value data is VBS file. Click on OK button and after that close the registry editor. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that open any browser, go to your Google search engine, and after that type a Microsoft Safety Scanner. So click on it. Click on the first Microsoft link. Download according to your Windows operating system. In my case is a 64-bit. Click on it. After completing the downloading, open it. Select all the term and condition, click next to continue, click next. Select a quick scan and click next to continue. After that, click on finish and close it, and after doing this set, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this set your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.